Alright, I've posted a video about my MacBook Pro that I have used it since 2021, and I've mentioned that the battery life now is 78% and it's recommending me to service it. That's why I went eBay and I bought this replacement battery, and I'm gonna go and replace it in this video. I hope I can cover the replacement because it's my first try. It came with some tools like the screwdrivers inside the battery, but I have other tools also if I need. So yeah, this is the thing. Let's start it, and I'll try to record the process as much as possible. This is the moment of truth. So we went and changed the battery, and this is the previous battery, and we're gonna see if it's fired up. If not, then we're screwed. So yeah, it doesn't fire up, but let's see if we plug it in, if it does anything. It's turning on. Healthy battery. Has 3% charge and says it needs 1 hour and 11 minutes for fully charge. Yeah, so battery is working, and I'll come up with another video after I tested the battery life from the previous one. Did I see any difference? Because it was 78%. It was draining a bit faster than the normal, but I'll 100% charge this thing and see if this thing is worth it, that much price. And I'm gonna give you the price of the battery I've bought from eBay in Australian dollar. So I'm gonna pull up the eBay and I'm gonna show you the price of the battery I bought it from eBay. So it's $108, which comes with the screwdrivers also, and it's working fine. I'll see you in the next one.